Hi, this is Cheryl bringing you your Safety Minute brought to you by DORN. Today we're going to talk about how to use a deadlift in a functional situation so that you are not hurting yourself. Today we have a 200-pound stone bench that is being moved into this storage unit. I'm going to have my two trusty assistants helping me, my sister Jennifer and a good friend Petra, both from KCF CrossFit from Poulsbo. Be right back. Here we go. We are going to start our deadlift. When grabbing something, you want to make sure your core is engaged, flat back, and you are lifting with your legs and your hip thrusters. Lift, ladies. Go. That is a proper deadlift. When we bring things down, we're going to use our legs as well and not our low back. Flat back, knees are not going past your toes. Stand up, nice job. This way you're keeping the heavy device in front of you and you're keeping it close to your body because that is where you are the strongest and you're not exerting any extra muscles outside of you. Thank you, Petra and Jennifer. Nice job, ladies. Gun show. CrossFit. So to reiterate, you're gonna have a hip wide stance. You're gonna bend from the knees, pushing your butt backward like you're closing a car door. Grab what you're gonna be lifting and you're lifting strong through the balls of your feet upward. And you are not rounding your back, flat back. Do all this opposite when you're bringing something low. My name is Cheryl. This is your DORN Safety Minute, brought to you by my very strong sister Jennifer and my good friend Petra, helping from Washington State. Flex.